Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This Luis here, Cryptolou. Thank you for watching. So we're gonna bring this today right now because we have a lot to cover to the closing day today. But you know, I have a lot of job to do a closing day today. So let's close those possible plays that I have, and so I'll show you guys a couple the possible plays that I did, and I think out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out of 5, 3 didn't work, 2 works. I'm gonna explain. So we have Costco that my initial play, because I want to see if this is working. I knew this is not going to move as much. So was this one, okay? This long call condor. That's the third play that I have for this setup that was profitable 100%. I hit it like right on the money with the stock that I predicted. It wasn't moved that much. So Costco's only moved like 2.5%. My goal is supposed to be moving anywhere from 3.5. If you look at the other videos, you're gonna see it between 3.5 first and 4.5 first. I put a neutral going to ER. Maybe this is going to be a good play. Bearish on PCI, open interest, 1.13 weekly. Other than that, it's just like a possible play. Like I say, didn't move. Now, normally cost could never move as much than 6%, but actually this time it's only moved on the downside because the market might be getting to a bear market, so it moved only 2.5% on the downside. The bears try to force to the political, to the war, to all the bad negative stuff, so they try to push on the downside. But as far as I'm concerned, the bulls try to bring saying, oh, everything is okay, nothing is wrong, we're in a good shape, all that, this and that, blah, blah. So this play would be 884 play with probably like $500 on the side, which would be the max loss would be $1,300. The max profit, it's $615.50 with 100% of profit. Second, or maybe the third play on a long call condor that went from 80% at the beginning of the play to 100% towards the end, after the earnings. I love that's the one I've been like really to the some of the plays that I've been looking at are gonna be looking into this one. So let's go back over here. This one would be like the one I knew and is not gonna hit it. I could close and the night before at 3.5%. So I'm gonna delete this trade because it was not my primary trade. It just deleted. So this one was my primary play. Let's close the trade, boom. So moving forward, MongoDB was going down big time, but then last night before, actually I did some plays that I'm gonna show to you guys, and what I saw was a head and shoulder as similar to CRM Salesforce, and also I think they show me Webull showed me some other like stock that was like on a downside. So this one was like unbelievable profitable with the $9,000, 390%. This is one I opened a long time ago. Only today the return was 7,000 because the stock moved on the downside at 24%, 100% profit. The play, I opened this play on May 11. So it's been open for the last 20 days. And I think I saw something that I think, the volume was bearish, open interest bearish, both is very bearish. Then I saw the yesterday on the day chart, the head and shoulder. So 24% on the downside. It actually went close to 30% because there was like 100 points at one point. And it's only 76 points right now. But this would be like a wonderful summertime play. I didn't do it, but if you follow me and if you saw the play, you did it. So good for you. So the two plays, actually I did a first long call condor that didn't work. However, it wasn't that much of the miss. Still, it's for June 28th, so I could have let this open to see if you're going to be profitable. Let's see what's the chance of this be profitable. It's only 37% because now it has to move on in the upside to be profitable. If you continue going the downside, it's going to be completely lost. So the play was $276. Max loss was $276. It's an even play. You don't need no security, no nothing. Max profit was $223 and still like a 38% chance of make it. Right now it's down 35% at $97 because the stock took a hit at, let me go back. Sorry guys. It would be, 11% down. So I say this looks like the best play. So this would be the best play. I don't know if you put any notes in it. Looks like a bullish, however, shows bearish here on an option strat. I choose this because it's here. I will go for neutral play. So I lean towards the first one, the long call condor. And this one should be the delete trade. I just put it just in case, but it didn't hit it. So this one I could have let go, for the June 28th. It's a long time still. The stock can recuperate it, but it's going to the summertime. Sell may go away, might happen, and it's probably not gonna stay at this price at 60 some dollars. Very difficult to go back to the 80. That's kind of like difficult. So let's close this one. Think this is a loss. That's okay. No big deal. $60 after win like $10,000 on the other play. That's perfect. So Shark Ninja, I let this open because it's for September 20. I'm gonna wait for the earnings. I think it's gonna be a good earnings, and let's see how it goes. ULTA, I have opened this one, which it was the one that I picked on the option strat. So I say, with alpha results pushing the stock 20% upside, this correlator is a peep, yeah. Peer. So if you follow the same pattern, should be a bull play, divergent from option strat. I will revise before earnings. So far, we're still bull market monthly play, maybe be a short squeeze. While the ULTA shares are trading follow better than expected. The stock fell after hours Thursday on the year guidance cut, but has since reversed. So yeah, they just like a 1.64%. It was heavily short, so they needed like a strong, beautiful results to make something really, really good. So for this one, I would say I'm gonna put it as a loss on here, but I'm gonna show you something else. Close trade. Come on, work. So this one, I couldn't have much of the information on this website that I've been using. Let's see if anything pops up. Zscaler. Okay, now it's showing me. But before it was giving me some type of error saying that it was impossible to get any information. So now it saves neutral, which is more like bearish and open interest. Next week we're going open interest. I would say close to 1 for me is bearish, and the volume it's still bullish. So it's like I don't think it's gonna move as much. Right now it's up 7% from the earnings. So as you can see, I played straddle. Maybe this in the morning was a profitable. I'm not sure because I didn't know. I probably can verify somehow. Let me see here if I can see here. It's still 3 o'clock. Z scale. The play in the morning at open was 9:35. It was 176. So 9:45. Let's go 9:45. 176. 36, 35, 36. 950, 176, 90. So it'll be the straddle for 172.50. For today, the call 172.50. So the previous close was 269. Let's see how much I pay in this one. And the call 800. Oh yeah, because it went down on the night before. So then this pay 1130. Let's do the math. So let's say I buy it for 873. So the high was 1130. So the profit here would be, let's do the math. Bear with me. 1130 minus 873 equal plus 257. I think it still would be like a bet because on the put side, so the previous close, how much I pay in this one? I pay, so I get in May 25. So yesterday would have been the nice closing because I paid $9.45, and the night before it was $19.83, and then today the high was $8.92. And right now trading at $4.95. So, or 405 is gonna be like the bid. So if I sold at both at high, let's see now one thing. Sorry for the noise in the background. Okay. At 950, it would be the put would be 138, and the call would say the high 800, but the call would be 560. Yeah, it's still like a loose play. Would it be like nice to close in the night before, because the put, it would have paid me $1,000. So I didn't close. I'll wait for the earnings. So it'll be 100% loss today with well, I show, because it's still paying $400, so it's $1,800 bad and no profit, 0% chance of profit for today, down $1,400. So this one was dead in water, and this one would be the one for next month, and the play was $2,000. The loss right now is at 30%, something that could wait for next month, but June could be like a, I think what I pay here is the 180 put. It's paying $1,500, cost base $1,500, and right now it's $1,265, so it isn't that good. And the call 190 is dead. Cost me $500. Right now it's only $100. So relatively, this probably yesterday would have been nice, this 180, because I think the price on Z scale was Z-scalar. So that's what happened on a day. So it went down to 55 before earnings, and then this morning went up 31st, or last night at the closing. It hit it like this, 181, and it'll probably like open right here, 183. I don't know, it's kind of weird though. Light shows open 183, high 83, low 72, 930. Robinhood don't show that, so that's the reason the high was $800, because open at 183, the high was 183.70, and then from there went went south. So anyway, I really didn't like much of the display because I didn't have much of the information. So I just gonna close this because I didn't like it. And close. This one's still open. This one open on May 17 because I saw cost $200. And I don't even think it paid this much, but that's okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, let me show you guys what I did on my plays. Louise. This MongoDB, I was kind of like in the morning, didn't hit the price that I want. I paid $33, max profit 21,000. The max loss was $33. It's 220 put for next week, and I think this is what killed me. The IV went down big time, and right now it's 52%. I think it was 100 and some percent. It just dropped more than 100%. So I have to learn how to do this IV better because this is killing me, you know. So I need to look in the delta, do this. I need to find out the correlation with the IV with the Greeks to see how kind of like help me in a better way. But even so, if I just wait until like right now, I'd be making $200, a 600% gain for contracted value, 230 maybe, you know, just $230, $230. Because now it's going down. I see it 230 right now. This is the play that I have on my other account, but I closed for 135. I made 300%, $100. That's okay. This is still open, and this another one that I did. I knew this gonna go up. I thought it was gonna go like way up. It's for today, you know, early in the morning. Stock was going crazy. I should have waited. You know, it's $120 bet. Anything happens, I just lose $120. But I closed earlier with no loss in this one. I closed for 120, and the max profit will be at $130 with a 97% chance of profit right now. IV is pretty good, 99%, 116 going higher. So I made a mistake. It's 317 right now, and the stock it's paying that much, 230. So could way all the way up. If you go to this price, close towards the close, 1%, it's gonna be $250. Oh, even if it drop 0.08%, still if you go to 388.70, still 250 at this point at 4 o'clock. So, however, what I did, I closed this trade. Wow, I need to do the math here, so I have to see it, how much I got paid for those contracts. So I got sell to close. I sold this one for $14.90, and this one I sold for $16.10. See, 120, 0. Close. And this is still open. I'm gonna let open for a month, see how it goes. But because right now it's not this much, you just pay me like 0. No volume on that one. That's it, guys. Okay, let me show you one more thing. Okay, this is the SPX SPY 500. So we had 26% in the bull market. Okay. Then we had this correction with the three black shoulders, 5%, more like 5% correction. Then we had the upside going to 7% in the upside. It looked like we were going towards the summer, going down again. If we follow the same pattern, we're probably going to drop another 6% towards the summer. Let's see if we're going to happen it. Not sure, but if we will, I think this is a possible situation. Okay, guys, I'm gonna prepare my place for next week, and either later tonight or tomorrow I will post a video to show you guys my place. Other than that, one more time, please subscribe to the channel, and remind this information is for education purpose. Whatever you do with your money, it's your decision. Thanks for watching.